My name is Amaris Ogunyemi, and my poem is called Nkankan bikose otito. Okay, so Otisumi, I said as I was bored, but we still have a reason to thank the Lord. Oluwase, Oluwatobi, but in the midst of it all, I'm lonely. In this sick, selfish world, your emotions may change. They may go from being joyful to solemn, an expansive range. You may feel isolated, alone, like no one cares, but you have a father who resides everywhere and he cares. Mofeje, I'm hungry, hungry for the money. Ejotorio long, fumiowo, but as usual, I only hear no. A capitalist society is the driving force of greed. You know this, always what you want and never what you need. Continuously asking for money, isn't it enough? You don't understand what it's like for those who have it tough. Onapaka, shoja, oja, pakosi. Anyone who gives will receive. We have to work together, a sharing community. The notion that those in power didn't want us to believe. I'm bored, but I've realized. Otiremi, but I stand against unspoken lies. The Lord showed me and he revealed. We have to come against injustice. Wounds need to be healed. Otisumi, I said as I was bored. How can I be lonely when I have the Lord?